Okay, this next section, it's going to be a little different because now you have a triangle within a triangle, or you're comparing word triangles, and you have to pay very close to the designation. So for this one, I'm going to call this the big side. I'm going to call this H2. This one's H1. This long side over here, I'm going to call this B. Now watch this, B2. B2 stretches all the way down. And this would be B1, would be this one, okay? And I'm going to redesignate it over here so it makes sense. This is A1 and A2 is bigger pieces, all right? So look at this. So if I was to write this, T to R equals H1. V to U, I would equal to H2, all right? It's an easier way to do this. RS equals A2. US equals A1, right? VS, US and VS look a little different, so I'm going to try to make this a little better. There you go. VS equals B1, and then TS equals B2. Now that I've said that, let's see what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this one, right? So I'm going to put a little arrow on it. What did they give me? So I'm going to clean this up now. I don't need all this. I just did to show you where I'm getting my letters and what my designations are, okay? So they say R to T, which is this one. They're saying this is 15 feet. U to V, which is this one right here, they're saying is 10 feet. Oh, so they give me an H1 to H2, okay? Then they say my RS, which is my A2, right, is equal to 6 feet. Right? R to S. Oh, they're wanting U to S, not UV. Okay, they want this one, U. I'm sorry. That makes more sense. Couldn't do it without it. So not V to S, U to S. Big letters difference, okay? So they're wanting to know, what is this guy? Well, that makes it easier, right? So I'm going to go H1, which should be, actually, I just did this wrong. T to R. This should be H2. Sorry, guys. Let's fix that real quick. That's the bigger one. That's H2, H1. So I'm going to go H2 over H1, which is 15 over 10, okay, is going to be in proportion to the second one, which is the big one, R to S, which is equal to 6 over question mark. It's just now cross multiplying. I'm going to break these in factors. It makes it easy for me. So I'm going to go 5 times 3 over 5 times 2 equals 3 times 2 over a question mark, okay? So how you do this is that these two are going to switch spots. So I'm going to make they switch spots. And then this one's going to go up into here. So question mark goes here, right? And it's going to be 3 times 2 times 5 times 2 over, this one's coming here, 5 times 3. So my 5 times 3's will cross out. So my question mark will be equal to 4. That's how you do that, okay? So it might be a little confusing by doing the factoring. I do the factoring to make it easy on me, okay?